Welcome everyone, welcome. Cash function, what is up? Welcome guys, welcome. Hey Chad, what's up? I'm seeing you here a lot more consistently now. Awesome. Glad to see you here every single time. Joel, what's up, my man? Yo, yo, yo. Wow, look at this break. Amazing. Oh, you are? Good to know, man. I didn't know you're Spooky Ghost in the Discord. Awesome, awesome. Let me give you a follow so that I know you're one of my members. Okay, guys. Let's just start. Let's go ahead and start. It's late. Hey, Dion, what is up? Chris. What's up, guys? What's up? I think this sounds... Oh, you guys remember that SLB, guys, that I posted? There was unusual options activity on this one. SLB. It's a bank. Schulenberger. The German bank, I believe. Yeah. No, it's not a bank. Well, okay, they do industrial services. Okay. Oh, why did I think that was a bank? Sounds like a bank name. Huh. Hey, Harley, what's up? Dun, dun, dun. Oh my god, KSU looks ugly. Da, 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 da. Oh, cadence systems. It's like a Tandem. Yeah, oh, look at Tandem. Wow. Yeah, Tandem stock. If you guys don't know what Tandem is, they're the company that they profit really well off of diabetes care. They provide all this technology for patients with diabetes, but they mainly focused on caring for the patients. And since 2020, I think diabetes has actually risen in cases. So Tandem is doing incredibly well. I mean, their 2020 low was $42, and then their high was at 155 and 86 cents. So, and you guys already know healthcare is gonna be huge in the next 5 to 10 years as the world gets older, and Gen Z and other generations ahead of us is gonna be less likely to have children as well. And as infertility rates are going up too, which I find that very interesting. It makes you wonder what food and what air are we breathing, you know what I mean? Making infertility rates go up. So Tandem, guys, you guys should look at Tandem. A very strong chart here. We're just in a nice consolidation phase. I would like to see this nice type of move here where we round the bottom here and then we start rounding upwards. Okay, and from that point forward, we can either have a nice either a reach back towards the highs here at 155 and have a double top, okay, or we just do another pivot right here, okay, and then make a nice cup and handle, and then we will have our neckline resistance right here, okay, like that. All right, so it's always good to see potential scenarios, and the only way that you guys can get better at seeing potential future scenarios is that you understand how price action works, right? You understand how technical analysis works, okay? So that's people always ask me, like, how do you know what's going to happen here and there, right? Or maybe in the next few months or next few weeks. Well, because I've looked and studied charts, like thousands and thousands of charts, right? So you know, it's crucial that you guys actually spend time to look at these charts, right? Okay, so Tandem was a good one here. Looks like it's consolidating very well. We're holding this 103.50 to 104 level, and then we have heavy level resistance around 117. Okay. Next is, oh, I don't want this to fall down. Jeez. There we go. Okay. It's like a gold. Okay, so gold right now, it's cooling off. I mean, this is a stratospheric run here, right? Literally almost a 90-degree angle. Straight up. Right, literally straight up there. Okay, so I find it kind of crazy that, you know, gold basically reached 2,000 in gold futures. But as we're cooling off here, I would start maybe a position because we can start rounding off like this as well for gold. But the thing is, I do want to see as it's cooling off here, guys. Yeah, let me get closer. I want the 50 SMA here, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but let me take off candlesticks here. I guess you guys can't really see it here. Let's see. Okay. So this is what the 50 SMA looks like right now. Okay, and it's sitting around 175.38. So there's a good chance that the 50 SMA continues to go higher and comes back towards the price, and potentially the price can also come back down, okay, to 176. All right, so there can be a coinciding point here, a converging point at 176, as the 50 SMA goes up higher, and then the price comes lower as it decides to meet at the 50 SMA. Right, so if you guys want to wait for that, you guys can wait patiently, but if it doesn't go down to 176, which I am waiting on it, I got out of gold today since it gapped down. I hit my stop loss. So well, you know, if it hits a stop loss, you gotta respect it. And then if it decides to go back above, I would say 181.50. You know, that'll be another entry point there. Nice breakout. All right. And then AMD, I talked about this yesterday, right? AMD, there's a lot of call flow coming in. All right, I think these are the option traders who are taking profit off of the big moves off of NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA and other big semiconductor names, and then now moving into AMD. Okay, so AMD may very well be setting up for a nice big run this entire week or next week, because it seems like the price is being depressed by the 50 and 200 today and yesterday as well. So as the 50 and the 200 SMAs continue to be a very deflationary SMA here, right? It's being used as resistance SMAs. If we have to break above that with a lot of good volume, we can see a nice big upward price movement above 117, and we hold 117. Okay, and if we do hold 117 and close above it, there's a good chance we come back above 120. I have my alert set up there for 120 because 120 will be the crucial level to break out of for a nice and big momentum move upwards back to 130 and 132. Okay, so watch out for AMD. All right. I told you guys in the CFO swing watch as well. Okay, now here's a little tiny stock here that you guys already know. You know, I would not be looking at this name. Right, it's not a high quality setup. Right, and if we're looking for breakouts, we're looking for stocks that are going upwards, not straight down like this. Right, this we don't want to see this. Right, but something has intrigued me here, right? And if you guys remember my Instagram post, right, my public post there, FLNC, right? This one has been an ugly technical chart, but guess what? It's following this nice fish hook chart pattern here, right? We saw a nice bounce, okay, and I'm up a good percentage. So for UP here, okay, a wheels up experience, there's actually a lot of insider buying going on. and institutional buying as well. And that's exactly what happened to FLNC. So for wheels up experience here, right, I think it's finally starting to base. Okay, we're starting to see a nice base forming here. All right, we're rounding off into a bottom at the very least after this nice big sell-off. Okay, I think this was a SPAC. I think this IPO was through a SPAC. Special purpose acquisition, right? So there's a good chance that we can see a nice big breakout above 3.50 and about 3.55ish, and potentially reach $4 again. All right, so those are kind of my price levels for now. But if we break out of $4, there's a good chance that we can break above and squeeze out all the shorters here, right? Any sellers who are shorting this name below $7 will be pushed out. All right, but that also means, okay, you guys don't remember, that also means that there's gonna be a lot of overhead supply from $4 to $7. Okay, that's a huge move in the penny stock wise here, right? That's like what, from 4 to 7, that's nearly 80% move. Okay, so there's 80% of sellers below $4, right? Above $4, excuse me. Okay, so that's a lot of overhead supply. So if we're able to, but that's the thing though, if we're able to push above $4 with good volume, that's a very good opportunity for a nice big volatile move upwards and a nice short squeeze where we're squeezing out all the sellers at once, right? Because they have to cover the positions, which means they have to buy back, right, the shares. So that's also going to add to the buying pressure. So I'm going to keep a watch on this. I'm setting an alert at 3. Let me set up an alert a little quicker. So 3.55. Okay, so these are the cheap plays here that I'm looking out for, and also for the fact that I am seeing a lot of small cap stocks starting to do well as well. So if you take a look at IWM, right, IWM is a little bit lagging, but guess what? Okay, the major SMAs here, right, the 10, 21, and the 50, they're now above the candlesticks here. Okay, so this is looking pretty good short-term wise, and the only thing that we need to get back above is the 200, which isn't too far off as well. So if we're able to retake the 200, there's a good chance that we can come back to this flag resistance that we saw, right? For most of 2021, IWM, small cap stocks, have been flagging. All right, so if we're able to hit back towards that 230-ish, 232 resistance of this flag, there's a good chance we can retest and come back to the all-time high level of 243.72, right? Hey, what's up? All right, so keep watch of UP, okay, wheels up experience. And then LAC, wow. So LAC, I gave you guys that, right? On Sunday, absolutely great big breakout. I got it on discount stick here yesterday, but obviously amazing push and continuation today, right through previous highs. Previous high today, which was 31.15, and we ended up above my resistance of $32. So that's absolutely incredible. Do I think Tesla continues into tomorrow? I mean, 1,000 is that psychological level. I wouldn't be surprised if you see selling at 1,000, to be honest. I mean, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive green days, right? Sure, rising volume, great. But even better is that if we reject off of 1,000 and then start flagging, right? Because that means we can actually have another healthier leg upwards, right? Because that's what everyone wants in Tesla. They just want it to keep on going up, right? So at some point, if we continue to move up, and if we continue to blast the 1000 today, through tomorrow, there's a bigger chance that there's gonna be an unhealthy, well, it will be considered a healthy pullback, but this movement upwards will be considered unhealthy, and there can be a good chance that, well, a higher probability and chance that we can erase all the gains that were made here, right? So the longer a trend goes to the upside or to the downside, either way, right, without any opposite colored candlesticks, so in this case, with no red candlesticks so far, right, there's a good chance that we can see another big rejection where we can actually not sustain the gains that we made on all these green days so far. So yeah, so 1000 is on everyone's mind again for Tesla. I mean, if we reach 1000, we literally have made like a 200-point move in 2 weeks. Well, less than a week. Hey, what's up, Sonia? Hey, what's up? I mean, a lot of people had their target set at 1000 for anyone who's gotten in right here. So, you know, since last week. So, we shall see tomorrow. We shall see. Usually when we have increasing volume towards a resistance, a major level resistance like 1000, right, as a psychological level, that usually means a lot of people are going out today, right? They're getting out today. And most people were day trading it today as well. Okay, so keep a reminder of that in your head, guys, tomorrow, if you guys are looking to trade Tesla. But Tesla, great opportunity here. You guys can play potential rejection at 1000 or another squeeze above 1000, right? Because, well, 1000 was when we saw the amount of selling coming in as well, right here, right? So this area right here, right, that's where we saw the initial amount of big sellers coming in. Okay, and then that's when we flushed. So who knows, right? Just watch out for the reaction tomorrow. Okay, just don't get in too early. Hey Jay, check out FSR. Fisker, huh? Oh, I haven't heard Fisker in a long time. Fisker, Rivian, you know, all those good old, pumped up, overvalued stocks. Fisker. Huh. Yeah, I like this. Yeah, this is not bad. The weekly looks even better. Yeah. I mean, bam, bam, and bam. Right? Triple bottom on the weekly. And then daily, we have another triple bottom. Right? 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So we have a multiple layered bottom here. Okay. Oh, Sonia, you just joined. I already went over Tesla. Make sure you look at the live repost. Okay, the recap of the live. I'll be posting it after this, but I just went over Tesla. For FSR, I think. I mean, it's good flagging action, right? Good flagging action here already. The 2 hour and the 4 hour, most likely. Yeah, okay. Look at that. Right, good flag. Okay, nice typical textbook bull flag here. Right? And then we have our nice base top here. I guess around 12.70. 12.70 through 12.80-ish. Okay, so if we're able to blast through that tomorrow, we can revisit 13.50, which is the next level there. Okay, 13.50. But other than that, If you have enough juice tomorrow, seems like we got increased volume today thanks to Tesla. So most of the EV stocks got a nice pump, like F, right? Ford. Okay, Ford doesn't look too good. Yeah, I kind of don't like Ford here. But hey, if it decides to have a nice rounded uptrend like this, like that, that'll be nice, right? Just higher highs, higher lows. I got futures right now. Sonny, you said Tesla has potential to go over 1,050. Yeah, I mean, yeah, who knows? Like I said, there's a wall of sellers around 1,000. So if you're able to push them out, great. You can move another 50 points. Why not? All right, Tesla can move 70 points, 90 points, 100 points a day. So definitely a probability. Just be cautious of that $1,000 level. Don't get into it early if you see a rejection. GME. Oh, that's right. Oh, look at that. Crazy move today. GME and AMC. Right, AMC's up 15%, and GME's up like 20. Right? Oh no, 30%. Oh jeez. Okay, another 10% there, and we ended right at resistance too. Oof. I mean, what do you know? We ended right above a supply level here. So if we're able to break above that tomorrow and take out all these sellers here, all the sellers here, all the sellers right here too. Oh, this can fly. This can really fly. Right, I mean, Tesla found a nice double bottom. Not Tesla, excuse me, GME. Found a nice bottom at $80 here. Okay, nice double bottom, and it paid off. Right, all the Wall Street bet names are coming back. These WSB names, like BBY.
Someone's at the doorbell.
Oh, someone's at the door. Oh my girl guessed that. Okay, so BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, this is going up as well. So essentially, all the Wall Street stocks are all going up today. Okay, since last week too. Other than that, I don't have much except that's right. One more, guys. One more. So UPS. You guys have to be watching out for this one. This is really looking up to be good. It's setting up to be really nice. All right, I apologize about the dog. So this right here, okay, intraday flag. All right, you can't ignore this. All right, this is really good. Okay, so after a nice big run up, okay, we're now just flagging on a daily time frame too. So if we're able to break above 220 tomorrow, I would most likely get in for a nice breakout move towards 222, and then 225, and then ultimately to 230 to 232. Okay. So that's UPS for you here. Okay. I think I do have one more though. Oh, Pinterest. Yeah, Pinterest. So Pinterest broke above this descending channel. Okay, or it could be a wedge, but most likely a descending channel here. It's a bit subjective at that point. But Pinterest has been, piquing my interest here for the long-term hold here, like a position trade or investment. But Pinterest here made a nice triple bottom as well at 22.50ish, and it's now staying above 26. Okay, so it's I think Pinterest has a nice potential to keep on running here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna take a nice break tomorrow as well. Seeing some overhead pressure from the 50 SMA right here today. Okay, but like I said, for everyone in the CFO Single Watch newsletter, long over $27.50 or long the bounce at 24.50. Okay, so definitely stay patient. 27.50 is the level to break above because that'll be a confirmed level to break out of. If you guys take a look in the past here, Okay, there's a lot of selling that came in around 27.50, and that's where we rejected off of, and we couldn't get past over it. So if we do go past over 27.50, that is our confirmed reversal entry. Right? If you guys want a whole number, use 28. Simple, right? 27.50 or 28. Use whatever you want. Okay, so Pinterest, another good idea there. All right. What else? Should I look at Roblox? I mean, all these names. Okay. Yeah, so Roblox is... Oh, actually, this kind of looks nice. Huh. There's a nice gap to fill right here. I mentioned this like last month. Anything above $60 would be a nice gap fill here. All day to around 66.34. But I like this. It looks like Facebook or Meta platforms, FB. Yeah. So this is what we want to see here. So this pattern right here, okay, this is a nice momentum pattern, right? So when we have this nice small red candlestick and then another bigger bounce that breaks the previous high today, this tells me that buyers are coming in at every chance here. So there's momentum. There's bullish momentum every single time there's a nice dip. Okay, so they bought the dip today from yesterday. There's a good chance that we can continue this tomorrow, especially if you have a nice little tiny gap down, maybe around 49 to 50. And most likely we can see another nice big movement upwards. Ultimately, my short-term price target will be around 58. No, actually, scratch that. 57. Yeah, so around 57, that's also where I would hopefully be able to see this 50 SMA right here catch up and coincide with 57, which is this level right here. Okay, I'll make it red. Okay, so Roblox, you guys can swing it to 57 if you guys want, or maybe around 56.50 to 57 if you guys want to be safe. But yeah, that's Roblox for you. Yeah, so some ideas for you guys to trade tomorrow. SPY looks pretty good. Looks like it's already been in a nice low volume melt up here. You guys should know what that means to all my members, my CFO Streaming Watch members and CFO Discord members. I explained that to you guys on Sunday. Make sure you guys rewatch the TA video if you guys haven't, or if you guys don't remember what I said. But the fact that we broke above this trend line, it says a lot. Okay, it says a lot about how convicted, how much conviction the bulls have here to the upside. So, SPY looks pretty good. Hey, what's up, Quant? What's up? Okay, so guys, I might do a nice live tomorrow when the markets are open, so watch out for that. Okay. Yeah, other than that, I don't really have much to look at. Most high quality setups have gone through. They're broken out. They're doing well. Actually, let's see how J&J looks like today. Yeah, okay, J&J too. Don't forget about Johnson & Johnson. Okay, this looks really good. I mean, it's just consolidating right near highs. All right, so this is exactly what we like to see in an all-time high price level here. We're not seeing an immediate rejection either, and we're continuously making higher highs and higher lows. So if we're able to push higher and you know stair step the way up towards new all-time highs, maybe to 180, that'd be nice to see. Okay, so around 180 would be my price target for J&J. Right, it ended exactly at 175 today, so that's a nice 1-to-5 risk to reward ratio. So keep your eyes on J&J. All right, the official entry is for me will be around 177, or if you want an early entry, 176.50. Okay, I'm setting an alert around 176, so I can start watching it tomorrow if it passes 176. There we go. Okay, so J&J, another name to look out for. I believe mRNA Moderna has been killing it as well. Yeah, look at that. Wow, nice break. I posted this like last month, or almost 2 months ago. Well, last month. Okay, so really nice run. PFE as well, amazing run. Okay, decided to take a breather today. Awesome. This looks great. And my flag tomorrow. Well, this whole week. But yeah, J&J, last one to look at for tomorrow. All right. Okay, so that's it for tonight, guys. I just want to do a little tiny live for you all. Thank you guys for joining. I mean, I really appreciate you guys, like really, from the bottom of my heart, for joining these lives. I mean, I know it's late, especially for the people on the East Coast. It's 1 o'clock. Well, no, wait. Hold on a second. It's 2 o'clock. I got confused with the time. I thought it was 10 o'clock right now. So, yeah. So if you guys missed the initial few minutes, rewatch it. It's not too long. I've only been live for what, 30 minutes now? Well, 31 minutes now. So make sure you guys watch the first 10 to 20 minutes. Okay. But like I said, I really appreciate you guys for joining every single night that I do these lives. You guys are taking time out of your days to even come and listen to me. So I really appreciate that you guys are even, you know, giving me that attention there of giving you guys this info and my own thoughts of these individual names here. So hopefully you guys can make some good money tomorrow and for the rest of the week. I know my members have been making great money. They've been making thousands each week, hundreds each week. So, you know, good job to everyone who has been. But if you haven't yet, you guys got this. All right, you guys got this. So yeah, I'll see you guys all on Thursday actually, because tomorrow I wouldn't be able to do the live, our usual regular lives, because I have a wedding to attend to. So, so. I'll see you guys all on Thursday, 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time or 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But I'll make sure to post about it tomorrow to remind you guys that I won't be live tomorrow, but instead I'll be live on Thursday at the same time. Okay? And guys, I apologize about my lisp, or if I'm not able to enunciate words correctly, because I got my braces tightened, or it's harder to talk now correctly. So I have to kind of garner up all my energy to pronounce the words as correctly as possible. So, hey, thank you for saying that, man. Always great to hear your perspective. Yeah. Hey, you're welcome, guys. Thank you. Let me screenshot that. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys when you guys tell me those things. It makes me feel good in the inside. And that's why I do this, guys. This is why I do it. And it feels amazing to make people money there. Alright, so good luck tomorrow, guys. Like I said, I'll see you guys all on Thursday. Okay, and hopefully you guys make your money tomorrow. Yo, your voice is perfect. Thank you. It's just hard to talk your praises. Alright, guys. Thank you, Quan. Thank you so much. Alright, I'll see you guys in in 2 days. See you guys on Thursday. Alright? Hopefully you guys make some good money tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night, guys. Thank you for joining.